What is this mess? Why are we running around in circles to get clean lube oil on our marine engines? Because this is how it's always been done, and nobody knows why. When our lube oil samples show that the equipment is not working properly, the engine may already have had premature wear and tear for months, or even years. It doesn't make sense. We feel safe, but should we be sorry? Can we find less complex ways of keeping our lube oil clean? Something so simple that everyone can maintain it without the need for special skills. Something that we on board as well from the office can trust that will clean the oil when operating. Our vessels are worth millions, and engines are the heartbeat of operation. But we are still not sure we maintain them to be in optimal conditions. Yet, we often get alarms at night. How can we get a peaceful night? We need something that works. And equipment that works with less maintenance both in man hours and especially with less cost. Today, oil is an expensive asset, but it's the blood in our engines. Can we reduce oil consumption to reduce both cost and sludge? We can show significant CO2 reductions to our customers and pass on a better world to our future generations. We also need a solution that can remove the contaminants from the oil without preheating the oil to 98 degrees Celsius. If we can remove the contaminants at a normal operating temperature, at for example 40 degrees Celsius, we can reduce fuel consumption and use the steam for something else. Or just save the energy. I just realized that retrofitting the new lube oil maintenance solution on one of my large 2-stroke engines will save CO2 at the same level as driving a Porsche 911 4 times around the world. And I have to tell you, it's much more fun to drive the Porsche. My new solution is validated on both 2- and 4-stroke engines. These engines operate on both distillates and heavy fuel oil by major ship owners and OEMs in recent years. So why should you hesitate to implement it on your vessels? This is a no-brainer. 40 to 60% less oil consumption. An average 99% sludge reduction. And an average 97% energy saving. My crews are happy, I am happy, and my customers are happy to see that I reduce costs for them and at the same time reduce my environmental impact. I have now retrofitted on 10 vessels, so I can use my savings and buy 10 Porsche 911 cars for me and my colleagues, and drive around the world 40 times with good conscience. I believe I will spend my savings to make my company even more competitive and environmentally friendly. But it will be difficult to find projects similar to this, those that save cost and CO2 so significantly at the same time. So, stop running in circles to keep your lube oil clean and dry. Go check it out for yourself at www.cjc.dk.